Carrot Kheer, a delightful dessert, is a must-try for anyone with a sweet tooth. Let's dive into this simple recipe that brings together the goodness of carrots and creamy milk. Start by gathering the ingredients. 500 grams of fresh carrots, 1 liter of full-fat milk, 150 grams of sugar, a handful of cashews and almonds, a pinch of cardamom powder, and some raisins for that extra sweetness. First, wash and peel the carrots. Grate them finely to release their natural sweetness. In a heavy-bottomed pan, pour in the milk and bring it to a boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat and let it simmer. Stir occasionally to prevent it from sticking to the bottom. Next, add the grated carrots to the simmering milk. Cook this mixture on low heat for about 30 minutes. The carrots will soften, and the milk will thicken, creating a rich, creamy texture. Keep stirring to ensure everything blends well. After 30 minutes, it's time to sweeten the deal. Add the sugar and mix thoroughly. Let it cook for another 10 minutes, allowing the sugar to dissolve completely. The aroma will fill the kitchen, making everyone eager to taste this delicious kheer. Now, for the finishing touches. Toss in the cardamom powder, chopped cashews, almonds, and raisins. Stir everything together and let it cook for a few more minutes. Once done, remove the pan from heat and let the kheer cool. Serve it warm or chilled, garnished with extra nuts. This carrot kheer is not just a dessert, it's a celebration of flavors that will leave everyone wanting more. Enjoy this sweet treat at any gathering or simply as a comforting dessert at home.